Turning to the vaccine rollout, there's now word that a booster shot will likely be needed in a year. That's all according to Dr. Anthony Fauci as restrictions ease all across the country. It's a turning point in the pandemic. COVID cases down in all 50 states, the lowest they've been in nearly a year. Hospitalizations and deaths are also down.
We're winning the war on the virus, and we need you to help us finish the job.
The CDC says this downward trend will continue.
We should all have cautious optimism. Cases have continued to decrease and have not been this low since spring of last year.
It's proof, health experts say, that vaccines are working, and the data on the efficacy of the vaccines continues to be even more promising. Current vaccines being deployed, Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, and AstraZeneca, which is not being used in the U.S. but in much of Europe, are all shown to be effective against all emerging variants. That's according to the World Health Organization. That includes the latest emerging variant in India. But Dr. Anthony Fauci says it is likely we will need booster shots within a year.
It's highly likely that within a reasonable period of time, we're going to wind up requiring booster.
Dr. Fauci says as the level of protection starts to dwindle down, which happens over time, or we start to see breakthrough infections, that's when a booster will be needed.
When you get a booster, you increase dramatically the level of antibodies that would be protective.
Pfizer CEO saying boosters could even be needed sooner.
They got their second shot 8 months ago. They may need the third one. This could become sooner than late, I believe from September, October.
Current data on Pfizer's vaccine shows it provides protection for at least 6 months and likely more. Pfizer has not finished its trials on a booster vaccine. Turning now to the coronavirus pandemic, Florida reporting just under 3,000 new cases today with 76 more resident deaths. This is the 5th straight day the state has reported fewer than 3,000 cases. Miami-Dade's new cases increased by 539, while Broward added 253 new infections. And Monroe is now seeing 7 new cases. Statewide, the positivity rate was about 3.9%, which is the lowest in the last 2 weeks.